Hello, this is Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales. I had a customer who came and was trying to make a deal, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about how the deal was. So we have a box here that is a Reefer box, refrigerated box, that is a very high box. That's a high cube. It's 109 inches high. The door opening is 93 inches. And so this is the highest refrigerated box, and there's a very high demand for this. So he doesn't like Freightliner or International. He prefers this Kenworth truck, Kenworth or Peterbilt. Totally understandable. They're probably more solid engines, more solid trucks in general. And so he made us this offer. He said, I would like to remove the box from this Freightliner right here and install it on this cabin chassis right here. And this cabin chassis wasn't here, so I told him that it's gonna come soon. So he said that he's gonna come and look at it. When the truck came, I sent him a video, and I gave him a crazy good price, both on the chassis and on the box and on the labor to install it for him. Then he was not able to come on the date that we agreed on, so hopefully he's gonna come on another date. Why am I making this video? It's because I would like to show you that we're here to try and make a deal with you. We're here to give you the best price. But what is the thing that makes the deal happen and the best deal to happen, both for you and for us, is when the deal is serious. And by serious means making an offer now, making a deposit, and moving faster on the deal. Not to pressure you, but this is how we're here. Dealers are trying to sell, and so if you make them a good offer and you make them a deposit, or you make a deal now, they're going to be willing to give you the best price possible. Thank you. Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales.